All right, I'll click live. Let me share my screen again. So you had this just to like get myself into the headspace. Oops, that's not the one. JK. This one. Oh, now it's gonna. All right, I'll wait a second. Sorry, gotta reset everything up. Okay, now I can do this. Okay, so you're seeing Claude now, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so you had the idea of, how did you phrase it exactly? Like using Duo to go find all the dependencies for Duo on dedicated, but I think we should probably think about it for like all of platforms, right?
Yes. I think the problem we're trying to solve
Yeah,
is
should we think big, think small?
we don't know. There's no easy way to understand all the technical dependencies that Duo Agent Platform has outside of the main Rails monolith. Um, so like Zookt, for example, which my understanding is that powers the
Yeah,
knowledge graph. There's, I'm sure there's others. And the problem is we don't have visibility from the platform's perspective. And we do need visibility because one, we have might need to be or actually play a role or actually do the work to deliver those properly to .com, to dedicated for Gov, self-managed, all of our platforms for our customers. I think that's the challenge we're seeing right now. Um, and so one idea is, well, maybe Duo can help. And hopefully, maybe with all of the context it has already with .com and issues, MRs, um, what else? Maybe even repos. Maybe that's something we can even use Duo to inspect.
yeah,
Um, so that was one thought. We can try.
yeah,
Maybe that's something we can try initially.
yeah. I just jotted that all down into a doc. Um,
Cool.
Share it with you. Okay, hopefully did you get an email? If not, actually, let me just put it in the chat or I'll Slack it to you. That's what I got. Andy.
I see it. Opening it
Okay,
up now.
all right. Make it open to the rest of GitLab just in case we want to share this. Okay, yeah. And I think like just to add on, kind of like just reflecting on the meeting we had with Zishan earlier in the week. The work is I think like the reason that when you said this, I was like, yes, that's what we need is because the work is happening. It's still happening in GitLab, but it's sort of like outpacing our usual ways of working in terms of like putting things in issues and epics and tagging and just sort of like the scaffolding we would normally use. And this is what I encountered when I tried to like start ramping up on what's happening with DApp is there's just not necessarily time to put all that together for better or worse. That's just how the team needs to work right now with the goals and timelines that they have is sort of how Zishan framed it. So, but it's still all there somewhere to your point. So in theory, Duo is the solution to this problem because Duo already has access to everything we need potentially.
Yeah.
The only reason I have Claude open is not that I necessarily want to use Claude for all the coding, but as soon as I went back to that doc that you uh, shared and I went to the like how to build thing and the first thing that happened was I was like, where did it go? I don't know, somewhere in here. It was like you can make a flow, but you might want to wait until the AI agent catalog is out because that's easier.
Right.
And it's out now. So
Ah,
now the thing I was gonna do is ask Claude. I was gonna just let Claude take the wheel and tell me if I should follow this or if I should try and use the AI catalog, which like I have access to. You can give it access. I think this is giving it access to like all of GitLab. So that's the context we need, right? I couldn't find a way to give it like the dedicated project, but I figured I'd start here. I think where I just got stuck and where I was just trying to unstick myself is like, but I think I'm about ready to switch to Claude is so there's all these tools. I don't know what these tools are. And so that's where I was like, okay, I think I've explored enough between the deck and this, and I think everything's in docs. So I was gonna just ask Claude, I'm just gonna put your prompt into Claude and see what it tells us to do. And then we'll go from there.
so you're gonna use Claude.
I'm gonna see what Claude thinks I should do.
Cool.
There are two options. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time on the prompt. Um, Nothing like trying to write a prompt to teach you not to be too precious with your inputs.
Yeah.
Uh, anyway, okay. Build it using, what is it called? Flow registry, I think. I recently learned we can now add Google Drive files in
Ah,
directly again. We
yeah.
didn't used to be able to, or we did, and then it went away, and then now it's back.
It
But
wasn't
I don't.
GA. That's why. So we
I caught. Yes, the irony of that was not lost on me. But also, nobody was like, "Hey, it's back."
yeah.
Is it? Uh-oh, it's not letting me. It's in Drive, right? Okay, what if I just do share? Hmm. Well, okay, fine. Can I download this? I don't know where the docs are, but at least this is the. Well, that's probably all linked, but whatever. I always find myself second guessing, like how much should I put in? So it actually gives me what I want. Oops. Oh no. Hopefully I don't lose my prompt here. Oh, I can just edit it. Sweet.
Just I realized Zoom doesn't have multi-screen share. That would be a
It
good.
does. It
Does it?
does. Yeah.
Oh, you
Oh,
can
to
request
like
was presented. Just so we can both
Yeah.
share, see what
Oh, yeah. Oh, actually, that I don't know. But I swear I saw that. That like
okay.
is like enable others to share.
I just requested. Sorry
Okay.
to distract.
Where did you request? Where did it
In
go?
Zoom.
Yeah, but like,
Oh
where did it? How do I accept it?
no, oh, this is allowing multiple presenters. Oh, that's okay. No, no worries. That's
Maybe I have to stop sharing and restart. There's probably some silly thing like that. Oh, wait. Now he wants. Okay, now I got it. Okay, let's find out what happens. Okay. Second option is used. Canada was just released, but I don't know what tools are. Right click. Also feel like someone may have already. Oops. Something like this in the catalog or flow registry. Should I double check to okay, I think that's good.
we both sharing now. This is interesting.
Somebody, well, I don't know. I don't see yours,
I
but
don't see yours
oh
either.
no.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. You have to like hit, there's a button in the toolbar, show meeting, and then
Oh,
you can bounce between.
oh, you have to bounce though.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know. I want the split screen,
Yeah,
like
I want to see. Yeah.
90s split screen
Yes.
multiplayer.
Yeah.
That's what I want. Video game mode.
I know. Okay. All right. Well, it's got some ideas. Okay, we're still going. Okay. All right. What did you say? Great question. Thanks, Claude. They're all good questions according to you. Here's my recommendation for PM. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I do want to check the existing solutions. But I don't believe you check. Okay. But we could use we Claude is PMing us now. What are
Yeah.
the dependencies we need to track? I think the problem is we don't know, Claude. We don't know. Okay, fine. I'm gonna start putting like things in here so I don't search. Okay, well, all right. Let's just fine. I've let Claude take the wheel. How do I search the catalog? Okay, maybe Duo can do that.
Can I add a comment real quick before
Yeah,
we go far
yeah.
too far down? So, by the way, I think there's multiple ways we can sort of hack this.
Mm-hmm.
I think an agent is probably the very ambitious way, given I think
Yeah,
you need, I don't know, some sort of, I don't know if you do need a toolkit or like you said, there's this catalog that in GUI we
yeah,
create.
yeah,
What I've been doing in my session in my screen is just asking Duo Chat just as
yeah.
a starting point. What it looks like it does, it looks like it search docs
Can
mainly.
you try and like share yours with, oh wait, multiple can share, but I can't see yours. Can you try and like, I can switch, I can see the show meeting button, but it just switches to like the two of us view
Okay, so
for
then
your
there should
screen.
be, do you have like the Zoom window? You
Oh, Chris
tab.
Blaine's screen. There we go. Okay.
Yeah,
All right,
yeah, yeah.
cool. So you've just been asking Duo on the side
Well,
here.
I mean, I started with the question
You
that
just asked it.
I mean, it did pour through the docs. Um,
Yeah, but we know it might not all be in the docs.
well, no, I know, definitely not. And I think, but what it did come up with was, wait, it was somewhere. Hold on. Oh yeah, okay. GitLab instance, check.
Okay.
AI gateway service,
Question.
Duo agent platform service, and this executor component.
Okay.
Uh,
Intrigued.
what about so? I wonder, I'm actually,
Wait, what was the prompt you started with? Did you start with the monolith prompt? Yeah. I
no.
feel like I think it's I think the core bit here, and I'm really just stealing this from Sam, is like specifying it needs to be part of the package that will be delivered to like it needs to be part of the GitLab monolith. I think that's the way we have to start framing it.
Hmm.
Oh, you can make it bigger now. That's right. That's nice.
So I asked about Zoot. Um, cool. Okay. Um, yeah, back to you. I might just,
Yeah.
I'll still start tinkering on the side. But
Yeah, we can both tinker. I like it.
yeah.
Um, all right. Oops, my screen. Well, I don't want to see my screen. I want to see my thing. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Um, yeah, the only reason I thought about the agent first was like a way to just to keep it updating. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
As new stuff comes in. Um, I
Uh,
do really feel like someone should have built this. So maybe I will go, like, we'll just start with, uh, oh, why do I already have an error? I haven't, oh, maybe it's like I don't know if it's still talking about my old one. Okay, well, whatever. Try a new one. Um, I'm just gonna try this prompt here.
yeah.
Nosy way. No, I guess it doesn't have to be using tab. I'm calling this Duo for Duo, by the way.
Yeah. I like it. It's great.
No, don't just look in the dedicated teams tracker. Okay, fine. No, Duo, you were supposed to save us. Okay, well, let's see what you think we should do, Duo. Go, you go. Go off. Go off, Duo. Okay. This is maybe like very old school, but I'm gonna copy this out and stick it in the doc.
Sure.
Start a new tab. Okay. So based on my search, no existing tools. Womp womp. Oh, wait. Data and analytics platform.
Ooh.
It. Uh, hmm. Can you do this again? But for Duo agent platform. That's what that means. Yeah. All right. It might still be pretty generic, but we'll see. Oh, it found the same. Oh, it seems like it's finding things that are, this is a good sign, I think. Ah, here we go. Hey, maybe this is it. All right, I might get rid of this one. Well, actually, maybe I won't. I don't know. Okay. Give me that. Oh dear. That one. Okay. The copy function leaves something to be desired, but that's not the end of the world. No, maybe this is a Google problem. Okay. Now we're doing the right thing. Okay. Core external services. It seems like it is developed, or it is considering the right things external, right? If it's noting that the AI gateway as well as
Yeah.
Anthropic and Vertex. So that seems solid. Ooh, we found a new one.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, cool.
Uh, okay. And then, all right. That seems reasonable. I still don't know if I trust it, but I like that at least this is organizing it into a list of stuff that we could validate. Um, okay, visibility gap. We're right. Thanks. Uh,
That's incredible.
there is nothing to make you feel good about yourself like working with AI that just tells you how right you are all the time.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Okay. Which DApp features require external services? Check. What's available in self-managed versus dedicated environments? I mean,
Oh,
just start with
where,
self-managed.
oh yeah, okay.
I'm reading this. And then
Yeah.
how external service outages. I mean, I hadn't even gotten there yet. Thanks.
Nice.
Okay, we may have to ask it to like prioritize for GA scope of DApp, but maybe we'll think big at the moment. Okay. Um, Recommendations. Service dependency matrix. Okay. Create a matrix. Required it. Cool. That seems like a good first step. ADRs. I know this is a thing we usually do, but I don't think this is happening right now. But yeah. Dependency tracking in GitLab. Hello, we have dependency scanning?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. Why don't we just use that then?
Oh, it's an interesting idea, really. Um,
And then build a dashboard. Yes, please. Um, Prioritize meeting GA timelines for 18.6. You think it is?
Yeah, 18.5 or 6. I have
What do you
some
got?
there. So I don't know if it was just I kept asking about Zoot. And finally agreed that
Does
it's
it
part of
exist
the
and is a
it
thing?
exists. I don't know if you're looking at my screen or not,
I
but
am, yeah. I
okay.
switched over
So
now.
I ended up asking um what are the core infrastructure components that power DApp? And I think this is a decent list. So AI Gateway and Duo
Mm-hmm.
Closers. We've heard this one.
Yep.
Obviously, we're
We know
aware of
about this one.
a gateway. This executor, which we've seen before. Again, I don't know if that's an external service. It looks like this Go binary thing, but the main Rails app,
Mm-hmm.
this MCP,
Mm-hmm.
knowledge graph, and now is telling me about knowledge graph, which includes Suit.
Mm-hmm.
I guess search again. Oh no. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
it's all part of
All this,
Zoot.
yeah. It tells me some stuff about feature flags, which is interesting and
Mm-hmm.
kind of good to know. But
Yeah. Oh, it is good to know.
instrumentation monitoring
Oh, it's got all the tables now.
tables, which
But
is
it's still like really focused on Zoot and knowledge graph. I bet there's
yeah,
more.
and it's hard to tell if there's anything else missing, and then LLM providers and such, IDE.
Well,
But
okay. They like this architecture summary.
yeah, but I like
Can
this is
you copy this into the like make another tab and pop it into the doc
yeah.
or something? There's probably a better way to keep track of all this, but I don't know. I don't know. This is my first time really exploring the new
Me too.
UI, so better safe than sorry.
Uh,
Um, okay. I kind of want to keep going. I've
yeah,
gone back over to my screen because I kind of want to see what happens.
go for it.
Okay, we need to prioritize meeting these timelines. Which of these approaches would be the fastest? Give us the most comprehensive view. Um, oops. Bonus points for uh, something that is agentic, so we can rely on it to update itself regularly as things evolve. All right, let's see. Oh no, we don't have weeks. Oh, mm-mm. You've just failed your deep dive, Duo. What can we do this week, Duo? As
Right.
in today, because it's Friday. Oh, and we're
Mhm.
joined by a bird. Sorry. Hopefully he'll. Okay, today All right, all right. You've earned some points back. Today, create the scanning pipeline in a dedicated project. This week, get it running against the 4 core adapt repositories. Next week, add GitLab Duo Intelligence and platform compatibility analysis.
Hmm.
All right, well, let's go back to the beginning. Rapid deployment. Yes, okay. Scan STAP-related repositories automatically, the monolith, the gateway, the executor, and the web view. Does that match what you found?
Actually, wait, let's see. Um, yes, actually, oh, I don't think I had web view.
The weirdest game of like Go Fish.
Yeah, yeah, that's funny. No, I don't know. I think you found a new one, web view.
No, we knew about that. It told us about that in the first answer.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
IDE
It might,
integration, I guess.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Uses GitLab Duo, Duo chat code suggestions to analyze import statements and external API calls, config files, environment variables, MR descriptions. That seems good. Should we also have it like explicitly look for feature flags? Yeah, this is okay. I'm just looking ahead a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so this is what it's going to do. This is the pipeline it's going to run. I don't know if I have the right permissions anywhere to build a pipeline, but I'm also okay if we don't get a working thing by the end of our vibe coding session and I just ask somebody to help me with the rest of it.
Okay.
But we'll find out. Uh, as an aside, I think that's the thing that I've been doing a lot of deep thinking about like the benefit of vibe coding as a PM, because
Yep.
like I'm still big into the leverage neutral overhead framework. And I'm like, I don't think it's a high leverage activity for me to code. Like, I'm not a good developer. I don't, you know, that's not me. But it could be high leverage if I can come up with something like this, where I'm like, hey, I have 80% of what I think is a good idea. And maybe I can get myself 90% of the way there. And then I need someone to help me with the other 10%. But I've done a lot, which has helped me think about the problem. And for me personally, I don't get worried about like, how far will I be able to get? It's something about the vibe coding experience makes me willing to be like, one step at a time, you know? I don't know. It's just something I've been thinking about. Anyway, um, I do feel like I don't know what environment variables means exactly. Do you? Just
Uh,
okay. Yes.
Maybe not in this context. Maybe it's
Yeah.
in general, those are sort of things that might define
Yeah, like the dot end, yeah, whatever.
or
Yeah.
might those are typically used to define like context, like what maybe what OS you're in or what integration there might be or something like that. So I'm wondering if it's just a generic.
Yeah. That's what I want to interrogate a little bit here. Uh, First, though, I do want to snag all this.
Where did my screen go? Oh yeah, okay.
Okay. Clarification questions. This is where I'm like, I need like the chat window and the output window like separate almost, but maybe Sunday. Okay. What was I going to ask? Maybe I went too far up. Okay. Does this approach, so if any specific feature, flags, or other applications level settings are needed, these are also dependencies, especially dedicated, which can't customize feature flags. We must be on to. All right. And oh yeah. And where? This is crucial for dedicated.
What's that?
It's telling me what a good question I just asked.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Just
Crucial.
I know it's how it all is. It just still tickles me to just, I don't know. Okay, feature flag application. Oh, what is this even? Okay. Okay, so it's updated our scanner and checks here. Feature flags, there need default changes. Is this the right way to say this? Like, I just want to check for anything that requires making changes via the Rails console. That is critical to.
We'll see how well it does. Sure.
I'm like, I don't know what else to call it besides environment
Or
variables.
like settings, maybe variables
There
or
we go.
settings. Yeah. Yeah. I see. Okay, I'm tracking now.
Yeah,
you're making an agent or a pipeline
I think that's what I'm doing.
that
Yeah,
scans for like dependencies and flags them, but
yeah, I
also
think so.
flags instead. Cool. Nice.
Supposedly that's what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Again, I'm just saying yes. Okay.
The funny thought I had yesterday, we should either we'll call it like the Sam agent or the Marin agent. The
Yes.
Mar-
I think actually we should name it after both of them, to be fair. This is really, we're just sort of channeling
Yeah,
Like
they're
all the Sam and Marin energy that we've
yeah,
absorbed. Like none of, yeah. Although I have to say, I feel like you and I have been in the dedicated trenches long enough. Like we're now capable of
yeah,
remembering the gotchas, you know. But
definitely.
it is the spirit of Marin and Sam powering this vibe
Yeah.
coding session. The Sauron. Oh no, that's too close to Sauron.
Oh yeah.
The ma'am. Yeah, it's we'll have to think about that. Okay. What did you say? Ah, nice. Okay, hang on. Let's read this again. Perfect clarification. Okay, yes, we do need to do that. Okay. Critical Rails console patterns to detect. Okay, sure. That seems reasonable. Specific Rails console blocker categories. Okay, sure. Enhanced detection patterns, feature flag use, but not an admin UI, application setting, access, but no UI, and variables without a fallback. All right. Direct model manipulation. Oh goodness. Yeah, that would probably be a problem. Initializer only configuration. I don't know. Now we're firmly beyond anything that I can check, but it would generate reports like this. Sure. And integration. Oh, would check if settings. Okay. Do you have any more clarification questions or should we start building it?
Sure. Build it.
All right. Immediately. Sweet. Please work. I'm so excited for this to work now.
Really cool. Works. Yeah.
I mean, I guess the good news is if it doesn't work, we know who to talk to, probably somewhere in the DApp world. They could help us fix it. This part is so scary. Because, like, not even, I mean, I've had this happen with Duo, but sometimes with Quad, it just like something goes wrong at the moment when you're trying to do the thing, and then it like forgets everything,
Yeah.
which is why I'm still like putting things in Google Docs, I guess. That's what I know. Oh my God, please work. I guess this is the part where I might start to need like permissions or something, but we'll find out. Oh no, did it just stop working? Oh no. Okay, I need to create the project myself.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, please draft the files. Ah, okay, there we go. This is what I wanted. Oh, it's writing some stuff.
Cool.
Okay. Well,
Nice.
that was mildly scary, but I feel like we're back on track. Um, where is the right place to create the project, do we think? Well, maybe I'll just let it. Well, it's going to take a bit, I'm assuming. Where should we make this? I think we just need to make it in like the top level GitLab.com project, right? Because otherwise, who like we don't want to make it in our project or in our
Maybe
group or anything.
or even a personal project. I don't know.
Well, but then would it have access to everything?
Good
It
question.
needs. I'll ask it once it's done. Or actually, I guess, can I make another one? I don't, I don't know what happens if I press new chat while it's doing this. Can you? Well, no, but I
Yeah.
needed to have the context of this, so
Uh,
I'll just let it finish drafting everything. Maybe you know what though? I think it was telling me where to create the project, maybe. Ah, okay. Oh, yeah, I mean, I guess I can make it within the dedicated project. I guess let's try that while it's working. I'm like really paranoid about somehow losing this. I can do it. I'm like, okay, we'll just do that. I've lost all my muscle memory like everybody. New project? Okay, I can do that. What did you say we should call it? Sorry, Claude. You lost this battle without even knowing it. Okay.
oh,
I don't think I care about that. Leave it. I care about All right. I at least have sufficient permissions to create a project. Okay. Oh, nice. It did it finally. Oh no, there was an error. Is there an error? Oh, it's still going. Okay. Phew. What has it done so far?
whoa.
Yeah, we're deep in it. Okay. This is the pipeline. Cool. Feature flag detection, application setting, environment, Rails, console, blocker detection, GitLab 2 integration, report template. I mean, this all seems good. I guess I do need to know like what is the expected. I guess it's telling me the structure. So I could just like start copying these in, right? I just have to name them the right thing, I think. Weird, I can't like copy. Am I missing like a little copy icon or something on this? Just like, nope, nope, that's not. Somehow need a bigger window to feel
I'm
like
on the
this.
side quest, you know.
Oh yeah, where are you questing?
I saw, I'm not using agents, but I saw another way to get Duo to do something. Well, I guess it's probably agents behind the scenes, but like where you can fill out an issue and
Oh.
and then
Oh
it'll
yeah, you're
generate
just
an
doing
MR.
like an MR from the issue.
Yeah.
I wonder why this one couldn't, that's a good point. Like why couldn't I make a project? Like why was that the one thing that it got stuck on? Okay, I really just need these as files I can copy in a better way. It's still going on. Okay, but it's down to the generate report thing. I just started this. Yeah. Oh no, I can't get to the bottom. I'm stuck. Maybe I need to wait for it to be done. Maybe that's part of the problem. It feels like we're so close. Ooh. Guess I can just be more patient. All right, it's almost done. Oh, there's the little copy thing. Oh, that's why it expects you. Oh, there's some user feedback for you. I was like, where's the copy icon? Come if you come back over to my
Yeah, I'm
full
watching.
screen for a second.
Yeah.
All right, so I've been like trying to copy one of these files and it's like having all these weird UI bugs, but I found the copy icon, but
Yeah.
it expects me to want to copy only the whole answer. But like this is a huge answer. I'm definitely, and it's even Duo knows I'm gonna copy each one of these things individually because they're gonna go into new files. Um, I might just when it's all done drafting them, I might see if I can get it to just put the files there. But it's nice to have them all here so I don't have to go explore them separately. But clearly this is not I'm not on the happy path. Okay, I might come peek at what you're doing while I wait for this to finish.
Yeah.
How are
Uh,
things going on your screen? Oh wait, are you not sharing?
I stopped sharing, but
Oh,
um, I'll start again.
yeah.
What I I'm trying to I'm trying to see if I can add something to Switchboard.
Oh,
My
nice.
favorite feature request, which is the number of tenants.
Oh,
And so what I did, I mean, I just created an issue. I
yeah.
wrote this and then hit generate MR. And so I didn't see anything happen, but then I started to get tagged in these MRs.
Oh,
And so I'll just to show, I think I might have hit it twice. Maybe that's why I got two MRs.
oh.
But then this is a new MR, Duo
Mm-hmm.
Developer relates to this issue, and there's this agent session that's happening.
Hmm. Nice.
And if I click on that, I get this automate sort of screen, which
Oh.
is what's happening. Um, and it looks like it's parsing, this issue and what project it's in,
Hmm.
and it's found what switchboard is, and it sort of identifies the sort of tasks what it for what it needs to be doing. I'm just gonna scroll down further to see if there's anything that's happened. Okay.
Oh no. Oops. It's in the wrong
Yeah,
repo.
right. So that's interesting. So yeah, maybe I need to feed it what repo.
Couldn't hurt.
Okay. This is the repo, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
At least I think it should be. That looks right.
Is it? Let me just double check.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, looks
Okay.
right. Okay. Or I wonder if I could try again.
Yeah, maybe just tell it try again, but here's the repo.
Yeah, I wonder, there's no like interface to
Yeah. Uh,
um
y-
follow up here.
what about that action interface you were in the session?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Does
there's
that have a
no.
way to get back to the chat or something? Oh,
So,
weird.
yeah, it wasn't
Huh.
in a chat context, so
Yeah.
maybe I'll just try this again.
Yeah. Just make a new MR.
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, this is cool. I missed this the first time, so there's a session.
It's probably still just starting up.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
All right. I'm gonna see if mine has uh, made any progress. Oh
I was
gosh.
thinking about this partly because, like, if with review apps, we should be able to see
It's true. We
pretty
should.
quickly.
Yeah.
Be pretty cool, but we'll see what it can do.
Yeah, because that was like such a bummer when because I saw that, I forget what it was. It was with the adding, there was a support person who tried to add the fields for,
Yes.
and I was like, oh, it's working, right? They're just doing it. That's great. And then it didn't work. And it seemed like it was because the support person just like was missing some context about like how to get stuff merged. But in theory, Duo has that context, hopefully.
Right, maybe.
Mine is still going on, but it's now on number 10. I don't feel like there were that many more than 10. So, oh no. Nope, there's more than 10. Is it on the templates? What's it on? Oh no, it's on, yeah, it's on the templates. Okay, now it's doing the read. Okay, all right. Mine is getting close. Just not patient enough, apparently. Okay, now I've got steps to actually do it.
Always lose the Zoom screen. Where are you? Okay.
I feel like I'm hitting some gold over here.
Yeah,
At
let's
least it's promising me some gold.
see.
Key features. Are you
Hmm.
seeing my screen?
I am. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. What was the recent prompt or like What was
This is where we got to after I told like because it remember it gave us oh God, I'm not gonna try and scroll. We remember I was like, what's the fastest way to figure this out?
yeah.
And it was like build a it gave me four options: build a dependency matrix, architecture reviews, extend GitLab's existing dependency scanner, or build a dashboard. And I asked it which one was fastest, and
Ah,
this is what it came up with.
okay.
And this is the thing that it was like, this is what we can do in a day or a week or whatever, which I thought I copied in here, but oh, yeah, that's right. And then this is the recommended solution: rapid deployment, 1 to 2 weeks, build a CI pipeline that does all these things. So that's what it's been writing me all the stuff to do for the last however many minutes now. It's still going. This is a little more thorough than I needed, but fine. I don't want to stop it in the middle and anger it. Okay, we could stop though. I don't know. I don't need to know how to iterate on it. I just want to produce it the first time. Oh my God. Oh, is this the README? Is that what it's doing now?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
maybe.
Now, all right, it's telling me a lot about itself, which is cool, I guess, but I just want to start building. See if I can build. Okay, we're down to the license. Feels like we
Oh,
should
wow.
be. Oh, oops, did it like format itself? Okay, it stopped doing things though.
Okay.
Cool. Thanks.
Cool.
Can you make these files in the project I just created? It matches the path you gave me. Guess I could be nice and go get it. I copy the path. Oh, well, whatever. Project ID seems good enough. Please don't make me copy paste this. No. Commit all the files. Clone and bulk add. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to use. Well, I guess what's my third option? Is there a third option? File upload. Oh, is that better? Okay. All right. It's giving me some more good things to think about here. Guess I'll let it finish. Think that is one thing that I would appreciate at the start of all these longer answers is like, give me a preview of what you're going to tell me. So I don't
Yeah.
have to just like sit here and wait.
Right.
I would totally get distracted and just go do something else if it was
I
taking.
mean, I think that's the idea. If it's an agent, it's sort of, well, I don't
Yeah,
know
like
in
I
this
don't know. It needs to
way.
star its answers. Like I need it to tell me what it's going to tell me and then tell it to me, you know?
Sure.
Okay. I mean, I really just want you to make the files, but if you want to start just the core functionality, I mean, that's cool. I do need to do that. Okay. let's, I mean, do I want to use the web IDE? I probably do that. Or I could just make file by file, right? That's even. I just don't want to. I know this is going to be a linting nightmare if I get it. Okay, but at least now I can like slightly more easily. Okay. All right, I think this is going to be the manual slog of just copying these, which is unfortunate that it can't do it all, but oh, that's why. Okay. I don't want to. Can I really not just like get a file in here by saying like edit a single file? Okay. Shows you how often I've started with an empty everything. I have to make all the folders too. This is lame. Okay. Oops. I know it's getting late for you. Let me know if you want to. I think this is going to be the less exciting part.
No, it's okay. I have some interesting progress.
Oh, yeah? All right. Let's switch to you because I'm just going to be over here
It's good.
copying and pasting. All right.
So sounds good. So what I did, can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I started another session now specifying that the repo, I think it had trouble finding the repo.
Mm-hmm.
I think
Okay.
this it's in, our issue structure is in one repo and the switchboard is
Yes. Oh, yeah, that's
in
true. It is
ours.
in two different repos. Yeah.
So adding this to the description actually helped.
Okay.
So this is pretty cool. So it was able to, again, parse, kind of understand that the idea is to create a plan for implementing this really simple feature. And then I'm just going to scroll quickly. And then it's sort of like kind of trying to figure out a few times. It finally took like multiple tries, like
Okay.
realizing the work should be done in this repo, but we're looking our context. We're currently in this other issue tracker repo.
Mm-hmm.
And then it understands again, and then I think it understands again completely. Um, and then it decides or figures out that the expectation is to create documentation or config that would guide the implementation in the actual switchboard. So I
Sure.
kind of wanted an MR, like an actual
Yeah,
MR, but
I know.
I think it decided or thought an implementation guide would be the task.
Sure.
But it did find the repo.
Okay.
And as you can see, it kind of looked like it scanned and um, came up with like an implementation plan. And so you can see the work completed. It gave us a feature spec. I'll switch over to that in a second.
Mm-hmm.
Implementation summary, some proposed doc updates, how, I guess, the technical approach. And then,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the results is this.
Nice. You got an MR.
So it's a markdown,
Oh,
basically a
okay.
guide. It's
Okay.
but
Yeah,
it's
still
but it does have like, okay, this is what you would
some
need to do
ideas. Yeah.
back end. This is the
Yeah.
This is the front end.
Mm-hmm.
Testing strategy, rollout plan. Not bad.
Nice. Now, why could yours? Okay, so is the limitation it could make an MR, but it can't just make the files without an MR? I'm trying to figure out why Duo is telling me to like copy paste things into a repository. Could I just make an MR and say
I
like, hey, take this and put it there?
I don't know. Um, I think my
Because this
use
is what
case
I
was a lot,
wanted.
mine was a lot simpler than I think what
Yeah,
you,
but it's still just an MR,
I
right?
think it's giving you instructions on how to create like a project and a pipeline.
Yeah,
Um,
but it's still just an MR,
yeah, I
right?
mean, I don't know.
I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can get it. I'm like really offended by the fact that I've gotten this far and now I'm like in the web IDE, you know? Let's try this again. Let's just I just make an MR. I'm like, I feel like I'm all turned around because I never just start from scratch. All right. That's probably the right. Yeah. All right. Okay. Oh dear. Sure. No, I don't have a do an issue. Go back to where I'm comfortable. There's like a session ID, right? Where did you find the session ID?
I got it linked
Oh,
from
you
the
got it linked
MR.
from the
That's why,
MR.
because I'm not using the ch or,
The chat. Oh, here it is. It's
oh,
hidden
nice.
under the three
Oh,
dots.
cool. For those following along on my side quest, I'm gonna try again
All
from
right.
Duo Chat while looking at the switchboard repo to see if it can actually generate an MR. So,
Yeah. Oh, what? No, I'm stuck. It won't make an MR for me.
What?
If you come back over to mine,
I'm watching it. Yeah.
I keep getting this error. I just was like, okay, just make an issue.
Yeah.
And then I was like, make the files. Maybe it can't find it, but I could do with a more helpful error message. Can I like link to this thing somehow? I'm really determined that like all the stuff is right here. It seems silly that the solution is human copy stuff. Isn't there a way to use Duo functions to get these files copied to my project? Great idea. Yes. Thank you. Duo wants to push a commit. All right.
Ooh, there you go. Wait, you're pushing. I don't know if you want to push to main though. Hold on.
Yeah.
Wait, what project are you in?
It should be my project.
Okay. I'm like GitLab main. I don't know if that's
I know what I'm doing. Duo took the wheel.
Dude, it's like the wheel. It's amazing.
Uh, I mean, I told it to do it to my project. Okay, branch main project, this one. I guess I can go check that that's my project.
Dude, take the wheel.
Okay, see, it is the right project. It found the project.
Okay,
So it's
cool.
main, but my
Nice.
project.
Sweet. Sounds good. Damn, just
I was
straight.
ready to just click the button.
Well, I mean, Duo following extreme DevOps push straight to main. No prejudice. Nice.
Oh, no, it's your project. I'm not a member.
Oh,
However, can't I just make you? Not, oh, wait, use GitLab Duo Chat in the web IDE. Couldn't I just make you?
need an MR.
Yeah, isn't there something to do here? Yeah, codes. Yeah. No, this is generic. I think, can't I just give Duo access to my project? I
Yeah,
don't want to.
I feel like
I
those are
think
the
that's the
things.
right answer.
I'm in basically a wizard right now. I'm just
What?
like, clicking approve for all of these commits. Actually, it's kind of funny. Oh no, contact support.
Did you get stuck?
Oh
Womp womp.
no.
See, it's fun if you just keep pressing yes.
Let's see. It can continue. No.
Oh no. All
Uh,
right. Um, I'm going back to mine here. Yeah. Can't I just give you access to my product? No. There's got to be a setting. Yes, I know. Thank you. I feel I need like a little Tanuki like stress ball for this moment.
Oh,
Ah, okay.
yeah.
Now, finally. I mean, I guess it's good it can't add itself to projects, but oh, it's in me space somehow. I don't have a persistent GitLab account.
Oh, wait. Did I do something not good? Hold on.
What did did you just push something to switch word, Grace?
Nuts. Yeah, I definitely did. Wait, is this
Oops.
the same branch? Oh my gosh. Oh,
Oh, oh
boy.
no.
I hope this is not.
You, it's probably fine.
I'm hoping this wasn't a branch This
I can
is
check if I can still log into Switchboard.
no, I definitely didn't push to main. It's just the
Okay.
branch. But I'm so curious if I when was this created?
Wait.
I'm so curious if this um branch was existing or not.
Oh,
Ready? No, I don't think so. No. Okay.
it just made a new branch. That
Okay,
makes
okay,
sense.
okay. Yeah. Okay. These are commits. These are old commits. I was just freaking out for a second. Okay.
I
Gosh.
don't, yeah, I guess, oh, maybe I can't actually, because I'm not like an admin, maybe we need to enable more Duo stuff on the dedicated project or something. Maybe I don't have enough
Yeah, that's possible.
because like I don't have any admin stuff at the moment. Okay, that's it. Darn it. Okay, I might actually be committed enough to this now, though,
Yeah,
to copy all the files in. It's just going to take me a bit, and I might not do it while recording.
cool.
I'm also like, this is always the question with Vibe, or always, all 2 times I've tried this. Like, I am always left with the question of like, when have I done enough to be like, yes, this is a good idea? And like, because otherwise, you could spend hours just like
Yeah.
vibing, you know.
Oh
And
yeah. I
then,
mean,
and then you're like, what did I do? Is that really the highest leverage use of my time? What else didn't I do because I was vibe coding, Um,
well, that's true. I don't think we were necessarily gonna create something like a fully functioning thing,
I
but
mean, I feel like we're really
we're
close,
close, we're close.
essentially.
I think part of what's useful still is like
The thought,
understanding, yeah, what it can do, what it can't, what um what things it's good at.
yeah.
Because actually I'm kind of I so I was able to get this thing, this MR created, and this time it actually generated code. I think
Oh, did it? I'm
it
gonna
just yeah.
switch to
I think
you.
now what happened though was um it ended up stalling. So let me actually what can you see right now?
I see the issue. I saw was seeing the issue. Now I see
Okay.
your like
Okay, so
panels.
this was and it was going, so I actually asked it to generate an MR, and then it started doing it, actually. It
Hmm.
started pushing commits, and this was my clicking. I had to click all these commits,
Oh, nice.
but then it stalled. Um, but the result, wait, where did other window go? The result was this MR, or it was a branch because it didn't
Hmm.
finish. So I created an MR, but it looks like it got some interesting code out,
Yeah, it did something.
did
It wrote some
something.
code.
And if this review app works, I want to see it. But it'd be really
You
cool.
to use the review apps, you have to be on one of the GitLab provided VPNs gateways.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
So I had to I think just before you switched over to officially being my manager, I think that was one of the last things Fabian had to do for me was give me
Oh, so
give
this
me
won't
the
work.
ability.
Oh, this thing.
But I might be able, if you Slack it to me or something, I
Yeah,
might be able to see it because if I get on the VPN and that doesn't break everything.
sure.
All right, let's give it a shot.
Oh,
We've been
that's
busy.
interesting. It works on .com, which
Yeah, I
that
don't, you'd have to ask Graham what the deal is, but
it's
there was
probably
something about, yeah, like security,
I see.
whatever.
Deployed
Okay,
to somewhere
fine.
else, maybe. I see.
Yeah, okay, let's,
I mean, I did have a pipeline fail, but
Probably just this view app thing, right? This is my first time trying to use it myself.
Yeah, it should be that. That's usually this button.
Oh, womp womp. Okay, something's still up. Am I going through? All right, well, we may have to ask. Oops. Have to ask Brain. Wait, where's the VPN thing go? Oh, there it is. Connected. I'm going through a private gateway. Huh. Womp womp. Well,
I
that
mean,
would have
it
been
also
cool.
I'm seeing a lot of red in my pipeline, so
Oh,
maybe
do they?
also maybe it
Okay.
just so not.
All right. So maybe it's not the review apps then. Maybe it's something
Oh,
else.
wait, no. What is that? Oh, actually,
Did you
what?
get it?
Well, you actually hit view app now, see what.
Oh, okay. Did you fix your Okay, let me go back.
Well, I just maybe it just took a while to load, but I got it basically the,
Oh, hey, something happened.
something happens. I don't know what
Okay.
it is that
Nice. Something happened though.
something did happen.
All right. Cool.
That's like the API.
Yeah.
So I wonder how do I get to the homepage then? There,
I don't know. I've not yet done this. Well, it's like, what did you do? What is this MR?
it's
This
a,
is just okay, but this is just adding the endpoint. So that's why when you click the review app, it takes you to the
oh, okay. I
right.
guess.
Like you need the one that whatever is the front end MR.
It should have done both, but
Yeah, but where's that one? Where's the front end
oh,
one?
maybe it didn't actually do. Okay, so yeah, I see. I don't see any.
Yeah,
We'll
because
see.
this just
That's the
says
thing. I think it failed in between, so I don't know how far. I don't
uh
know how far.
yeah, because this just says
Gone.
add the endpoint. So I guess I would have expected this one to only be adding the endpoint, and I would expect the
Oh,
front
it did
end.
add only the endpoint. Okay, interesting. I didn't even read that. Cool. Okay, so that's what it did.
Yeah. So it
All right.
did it.
Cool.
You just need to, if you want it to do the front end part, I think you got to ask it to do that. Or
So
ask Grace really nicely.
they're in the same repo, right? So I should, in theory,
Probably.
be able to
Yeah.
add to this MR, like add the front end part.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That seems like a successful vibe coding session right there. We got it to do something. I feel good about the scanner thing. I think it could actually work.
The scanner is an ambitious idea, but that would be awesome if it was able to basically periodically give us the
Well,
readout
and if we
that's
could
needed.
iterate on it and say like, oh, we missed a repo or we missed a
Yeah.
dependency or something. Um, I wonder if I could like pawn this off on Andy or somebody. Finish it up. Oh, see, this is the dangerous thing about PMs who think they can get something 90% of the way there. They're gonna look at this and be like, what did you do?
90 is
What
very
on?
generous for
No,
what
we
we can
think,
do.
I think it's not, it seems like it's really close. I'm sure, but that's why I was like, I know if I can get to like actually committing any of this, it's going to give me like 1.5 billion linting errors. Like, you know, I've lost days to lint errors before.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Oh, there's
might,
another API. Sorry, go ahead.
oh, you're still
I'm
finding
sorry.
things it did?
No,
I stopped the share.
yeah, I'm looking at my to-dos and it gave me some other
Share
do.
again.
Okay, wait. Uh, okay. Share again. So I just realized it gave me another, this might be the front end, although it didn't do anything.
That looks like the front end.
Yeah, but it didn't actually, I got,
So, say,
yeah,
what?
maybe this is where it fails.
Check the pipeline.
Oh yeah, wait. Oh, that's right. You're right. I see. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if it, I think it just,
Well, it had a pipeline on that MR.
ah, I see. Yeah, skipped. Hmm.
So something happened. Hmm.
But the A, yeah, got an endpoint. Endpoint was cool. Yeah, there's no way to like interact with this.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a bummer. I mean, it's nice to see it, but
Yeah, yeah. I
oh, but
want,
hey, wait, hey, hang on a second though. Go back to the bottom.
oh,
Or no, sorry. Go to the other screen and go back to the bottom. Executor ID. That's that executor thing. I
right.
betcha.
Yeah, it is.
All
I think
right, now we're seeing the bits of it.
exactly.
We
Yeah, I
should be
think,
doing this. Why aren't we? We should have been doing this on a dedicated instance this
oh
whole
yeah.
time, Chris.
Oh, that's the next, that's what we should do next. Well, that was the thing I was saying in the meeting. We should have
Yeah.
an instance. We should basically just test out all these features there.
Well, we have Switchboard Eng Test 1 that we keep up to
Yeah.
date, and I don't think anybody really owns that.
I think we should use that and then basically just do our own testing there, actually.
Yeah, I think realistically we will have to for DAP to like meet the timeline. I just don't think that they have enough hands to
Mhm.
do it. All
Right.
right, I'm gonna stop our live stream here because we're out of vibe coding. That was vibe coding. I mean, I was just looking.
Coding.
We've been on for an hour and 40 minutes.
Oh,
I
time
feel
flies
like
when you're
though
vibe coding.
vibe coding, but also like I feel like it was a useful hour and 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Like I thought about the problem. I got some indeterminate percentage of the way there, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah. All right.